Claude Fable 5 is Anthropic's newest AI model, promising better reasoning, coding, and long form writing. But is it actually better than ChatGPT and Gemini? In this next 3 minutes, here's everything you need to know. Introduction. Claude Fable 5 is designed for users who need an AI assistant for writing, programming, research, and business tasks. It builds on previous Cloudy models with stronger reasoning, faster responses, and improved accuracy across complex prompts. Features. One of Cloudy Fable 5's biggest strengths is its reasoning ability. It performs well on complex questions, multi-step tasks, and detailed problem solving. It also excels at long-form writing, whether you are creating articles, reports, emails, or scripts. Cloudy produces natural and coherent content with fewer repetitions. For developers, Cloudy Fable 5 offers improved coding support. It can generate code, explain existing code, debug errors, and help with multiple programming languages. Another advantage is its large context window, allowing it to process lengthy documents and maintain context throughout long conversations. If you are using it for research, Cloudy is also good at summarizing large amounts of information into clear, easy to understand answers. ChatGPT versus Gemini versus Cloudy Fable 5. Compared to ChatGPT, Cloudy Fable 5 often delivers more detailed writing and stronger reasoning on complex prompts. However, ChatGPT still offers a broader ecosystem with features like image generation, voice conversations, custom GPTs, and more integrations. Against Gemini, Cloudy generally performs better in writing quality and document analysis, while Gemini has an advantage for users deeply invested in Google's ecosystem, including Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Search. If your main focus is content creation, research, or coding, Cloudy Fable 5 is an excellent choice. If you want the most feature rich AI assistant overall, ChatGPT remains the stronger all around platform. Pricing. Cloudy Fable 5 is available through both free and paid plans. The free version provides access with usage limits, while premium subscriptions unlock higher limits, faster performance, and access to the latest models. Verdict. So, can Cloudy Fable 5 beat ChatGPT and Gemini? For writing, reasoning, and document analysis, it's definitely one of the best AI models available in 2026. But if you need advanced multimodal features, image generation, or a larger ecosystem, ChatGPT still has the edge. If this review helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more AI reviews and comparisons, and let us know in the comments which AI model are you using in 2026.